The America's Hernia Society Quality Collaborative is a group of surgeons across the nation that are working together to improve the care of hernia patients. We are a group of busy clinical surgeons who combine information about our patients and practices to improve the quality of care we deliver to you as a patient and to others who may later wish to have a hernia repaired. We partner with several other groups, including the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, Medicare, hospitals, and manufacturers who make a lot of the products that we use to help patients. We all work together to try and figure out the best way to care for each patient and also to minimize harm. It's really important that institutions like Ohio State lead that initiative. We are leading that here at Ohio State as the Data Coordination Center for the America's Hernia Society Quality Collaborative. The important thing for you as a patient is that we are able to take all that information that we gather from across the country and help you with your care to benefit from all of the knowledge that we gain.